She only has to be able to see the sight and bury the weapon.
Yeah. Okay, now you want to get up close enough so you can see the whole image, the entire. You'll see a round. It won't be. If you need to get it closer, just get. There you go.
Bury the weapon in your shoulder.
Yeah, pull it in tight to your shoulder. Take your thumb, take the safety off. Flip no, your other thumb. Always use the thumb that's on your grip. There. Okay. Now you're ready to fire. Ceasefire for a minute. You're going to burn your thumb right there. Yeah. Right there. Because everything that's happening is happening right there.
Bring your hand down here and hold it on the magazine there.
There you go.